NEWC is on our long list of 100 stocks that we're going to be taking a look at over the next few days. NEWC currently trading at 0295. Let's see. Yesterday, you got outside that Bollinger Band just a little bit. You're pulling back in, basically going sideways. One thing I can see right here looking at the chart, look, you get outside the upper Bollinger Band, it doesn't go down a ton. It just comes down a little bit. Trades back up to that 10-day, seems to bounce off of it. Same thing. You didn't get all the way down to that 10-day simple moving average, but you had a few days of consolidation and then popped off of it. Right now, you got the consolidation. Let's go ahead and wait for this one to pull back slightly, and I'm going to put that 10-day simple moving average right there. It might follow up to that or not, but either way, let's go with maybe on the 17th for another bounce off of that. So I'm going to put this one on a hold for 10-day simple moving average. Again, that right there, put that into here. At 0.0295, hold for the 10-day simple moving average. Put that at, I'm just going to put a rough number in there, 0.0244. And Joe, what do you have to add for NEWC?
Have we ever looked at this one?
It's been a long time if we have.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Well, they had a press release on January 5th, 2017. It was New Colombia Resources Incorporated announces U.S. $90 million purchase order for metallurgical coal from a major steel trade for delivery to China steel mills. So let's see. New Colombia Resources Incorporated, a Colombian company listed in the U.S. with a premium metacultural coal properties and medical marijuana operations, is pleased to announce they have signed a $90 million purchase agreement for metacultural coal with the American Steel Industries LLC, ASI of Philadelphia, joint venture partner with a Chinese government-owned multi-billion-dollar commodities and steel trading company. ASI has been exporting steel from China for the past 12 years and is one of its largest steel exporters. For more information about ASI, visit asisteel.com. So it basically just goes into the deliveries loaded at port in Colombia for shipments to South China. And I mean, it's a large order right there.
Yeah.
It's more or less just, finding out how legit everything is.
All right, so that is,
because I mean, if it is all legit, that would obviously be good for this company right here.
right. Yeah, and what if it's good for the company? What is it good for? The share price, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but they also have it's a pink limited information with the yield sign. So
okay,
I would do my homework.
Do your homework. You would think that updating that would be a priority. I mean, that's something that you want to see current. So,
mm-hmm.
And when Joe mentions that, I mean, it doesn't mean you can't trade it, right? But if you're looking for a solid investment, that is one thing you would definitely want to look for. And I think that Joe, that's what he means by that. I mean, just because it's got a stop sign or a yield sign doesn't mean you can't trade it. It just means that I would definitely look into it more. If you want a long-term investment, if you're buying a stock that you think you believe in, I mean, that is something that you would want to pay attention to, correct?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Go through, read all the filings, even call the company.
Yeah.
See what's going on.
Don't be afraid to call them. I mean, I used to call companies all the time. What's going on here? What's the plans? Want to know.
Yeah, me too. I'd call the companies and they never want to talk to me. I don't understand it.
Yeah. All right. So
it's
that
all right, though. That's life.
NEWC. Again, if you follow this one, head over to investorshangout.com/live.